Stick with the fall theme now. Move on to fall bonfires. Just one of my favorite activities. I love like a little cozy, a little fleece, the bonfire, and roasting marshmallows is a great activity. But how about cooking your entire dinner over an open fire?
No, shut your mouth. You know you can easily do it with the right fire pit, right, Elizabeth? You're going to take us to Patio Town next to see how Firegear smokeless fire pit can be your outdoor stove as well. Take a look.
I'm back with my buddy Ken Love. Hi Ken, nice to see you.
Hi, nice to see you again.
This thing is kicking off some heat,
A lot of radiant heat, yes.
Man, this is fantastic.
Yes.
Okay, bonfire season is upon us. We always plan fall bonfires with the neighbors because it's so much fun. These are these smokeless fire pits by Firegear.
Correct.
Tell us about the cool technology because you can really feel the heat, but it's totally true that the smoke is not overpowering.
And you nailed it, smoke-less, okay? It is smoke-less. It's generally 75 to 80% less smoke.
That's huge.
Yes, so you can enjoy that bonfire without smelling too bad anyway.
Yeah, I mean, you want to get like some of the aroma.
That's the atmosphere, right?
But it's not really fun when the smoke is blasting you in the face and you can't even have a conversation and you're trying to move and avoid it.
That is exactly
So
it.
how does that work? Like, what is it, a design function?
It is a design function. It's a simple thing, actually. So what's happening is as you can see there, we're burning a fire, a nice hot fire. It takes you 30, 40 minutes, get a really nice hot fire.
Right.
The fire pit itself has two walls. The inner wall you can see we're burning in. The outer wall has an airspace between. As the fire gets going, hot air rises. That air starts to rise, and it starts to go into those holes right above the fire.
Oh, I see.
Which ignites the smoke.
A big question people always want to know is, do you actually burn real wood? Is this real wood? Well, okay, that's what you have going on in here.
It is real wood.
Actual wood. So
nice
this is how you kind of set it up.
Stack a fire near the center. There is an air infiltration disc down there to get the fire going.
What I love about this is it's not just about the bonfire and sitting around and having a drink, which is, by the way, a lovely experience, but you've got food that you can cook right on this, and there's a couple different ways to do that.
So the fire pit is made in two sizes and then two styles. Here's what we would call a traditional unit with the optional cooking rod and grate assembly to be able to cook right above an open fire.
So great. You've got veggies wrapped in foil.
Veggies in foil, the old traditional squash and some onions and a little seasoning and some olive oil. Put that right over our cooking grate here.
Oh my gosh, this is so fun.
And then the other version is going to be our sear top unit. It gives you that large surface to sear foods, cook different vegetables.
You cook it right on the rim.
Here, yes.
This is amazing.
And then a nice serving area on the sides there, whether we're doing seafood or fish or chicken breast.
You start showing this off to your neighbors, and they are thinking, this is something special.
And they want to come over and eat all the time, let me tell you.
They do. There's a downside and an upside, right? There you go, and you're cooking over wood. Now, I might be biased, but you know I love Patio Town. And my favorite thing, every time in my backyard, people come over, they sit in our Adirondack chairs that are that Comfort Craft outdoor furniture. We leave them out all winter long, and they are the perfect accessory to sit around this thing.
And not get all smoked out.
Not get all smoked out.
Yes.
Ken, this is where it's at. I'm having a great time, and as soon as these are cooked up, we're gonna have some meat.
I'm looking forward to it, Elizabeth. Thank you.
Way to go, Ken. Good to see you.
You too.
Everyone in the studio is going, oh my gosh,
I know, we're like,
man.
what? Does it really do that?
That's what's happening. Those things are really cool.
Yeah.
I love that they have feet on them. They look like really elegant. I like that they have that kind of different little shape to them.
Yeah.
And they have a very slick looking lid that goes on the top too.
Yeah. I love it.
They're sweet.
Good idea.
Very good. So Patio Town has unbeatable prices on fire features, including flame tables, grills, and smokeless fire rings as well. And you can stop into any Patio Town's 3 locations. They're in Brooklyn Park, Burnsville, and Oakdale.
All right, up next.